for ways to spice up your old African dishes. My name is Prince Mahlangu, and today we'll be putting a twist on one African delicacy called Amaqebelengwana. Okay, for this delicacy you would need two main ingredients, which is flour and mealie meal. For the flour you will need 4 cups of a medium-sized cup. Then for mealie meal you will need 2 cups. So for the mealie meal you can use any type of mealie meal that you have. Then the other ingredients, you would need 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, you will need 2 tablespoons of salt, and you will need 3 tablespoons of baking powder. So to mix this, you will need a medium-sized bowl. You will take the 4 cups of flour, mix the 2 cups of mealie meal, take the 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and the salt that we mentioned earlier. Then you just whisk continuously until the dough becomes a bit smooth. Okay, after that you would take a medium-sized pot or any pot that you're going to use, then just grease around the surface of the pot with cooking oil. You can use olive oil or canola oil if you have. This is to prevent the delicacy from burning from the sides. So after that, just take a medium-sized spoon, then take the dough and put the buns there in the pot. That's the first step of preparing Amaqebelengwana. This will take you about 25 minutes to prepare. For this delicacy, we're going to have 4 options. So the first option is what I call the meaty option. So in this option, you can add any meat type that you can have, but I've opted for chicken breast because of the high protein content there. So you can take chicken breast, you can take red pepper, you can take onions, and if you can also add some tomatoes there. So in a pot, just put the cooking oil or the olive oil, then put the chicken breast, the red pepper, the onions, and the tomato. Then just put on top of the Iqebelengwana. The second option is what I call the vegetarian option. So in this option, basically there is no meat, just like the previous option. But here we just have a combination of lettuce, tomato, onion. Then the third option is what I term the vegan option, for the vegan guys there. So in the vegan option, we're going to have sugar beans. You can take sugar beans, a slice of beetroot, also a slice of onion or onion rings, and a slice of tomato. Then the last option, what I call the high protein option, we've got the peanut butter banana option. So here you take your peanut butter, just spread around the Iqebelengwana, and just take about 4 slices of banana and just place on top of the Iqebelengwana. Those are the 4 options: the meaty option, the vegetarian option, the vegan option, and the high protein content option. There are so many ways of having these variations of Amaqebelengwana. You can come up with yours, you can add your own ingredients. Just try to spice it up. I would like to thank African Food Revolution for partnering with us on this shoot. Basically, African Food Revolution is an organization that seeks to promote local African indigenous foods by providing a platform where we're able to share ideas, we're able to share ways on how we can sustainably farm these foods. So you can visit this organization on www.africanfoodrevolution.org. You can also be a member, participate, throw in your ideas on how we can improve the food situation that's in our continent here in Africa. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said, this video was brought to you by African Food Revolution. So if you've got any delicacy that you want us to spice, please send the delicacy in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on social media networks, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. This is Prince Mahlangu signing out. Take care.